Okay, we have an improvement to the townstar auto sell script by Groove. This improvement was done by Mr. Celtic Fox. The script is available up on GitHub. I'll put the link in the description below, but you can see it in the video. Let's start off with rules. Okay, so everybody always asks, well, scripts, you can't use scripts in games. Well, this one you can, and it's in the rules, and here's the rules page, there's the rule, so you can argue it to yourself in your head on whether scripts shouldn't be used. Okay, so Mr. Celtic Fox here did a very good job on his explanation here on how to use it, so I'm not going to bother with all that. I'll let you read it. Okay, so here's the script. His work's a little different than the original, and that this one you tell the script how many you want to keep, not how many you want to sell, but how many you want to keep. So in this case, I want at least 20 water drum, and I want to keep at least 1 cotton. So I'm going to save that, go back to Gala Games, refresh my page. Then one of the first things you want to do almost anytime you start the game is open up the trade pier or whatever trade depot you got, just so you get this page up and loaded so that next time when you do a trade, it pops right up. All right, so we got the cotton set for 1, so it should be selling that pretty soon, and water drum set to 20, so it should be selling those pretty soon. My travel time to my nearest sell point is 1 minute and 16 seconds. So I set my sell timer for 1 minute and 20. That way I got a little bit of extra time for lag, and you know. All right, rather than make this video stupid long, I'm going to go ahead and pause the recording until I see it getting ready to sell something. Okay, so I just refreshed and I started up a timer, but it appears that you guys can't see the timer, so you'll just have to take my word for it that we're at 26 seconds since I refreshed. Okay, 60 seconds, so it should sell within the next 20 seconds. And there we go. We're at 1:17, time-wise 1 minute 17 seconds, and there it goes. So obviously the timer will depend on whatever you set it for.